the vision that we have for the future. And that vision really has three parts to it. Part number one is we want to help our customers use less energy. Yes, you heard that right. We want to help them use less energy. Number two, the energy they use needs to be cleaner than it has ever been before. In the past, that meant some traditional pollutants such as sulfur dioxide, nitrous oxides, mercury, fine particulates needed to be eliminated. But increasingly, it means carbon emissions, whether it's methane or carbon dioxide. They are an important part of the emissions equation that must be tackled. So in addition to using yet less and using cleaner, we believe it has to be delivered with unparalleled reliability that we've never experienced in our history. The Academy came up with a price that, if you escalate it to today's dollars, suggests that society incurs a cost of about $50 for every ton of carbon dioxide emitted into the atmosphere. On the far left, I'm showing you a $13 per megawatt hour charge, which is an attempt to reflect the fuel costs associated with today's efficient natural gas power plants. This uses a gas price of about $2 to $2.50 per MMBTU and a heat rate or an efficiency of anywhere from 6,000 to 6,500 BTUs per kilowatt hour. Highly, highly efficient gas plants, something that we should be pleased with. This is a good thing. It keeps power prices down and it minimizes the amount of natural gas that's needed to produce electricity. Now, on the right is $32 per megawatt hour, which is the average price for a nuclear power plant to operate in the United States. So from the point of view of an investor who's trying to operate power plants, the gas plant investor is trying to recover at least $13, and the nuclear operator is trying to recover $32. So you can see how much more competitive the gas plant appears to be. However, what I've also done on this slide is I've said, well, wait a minute now, that gas plant emits approximately half a ton of carbon for every megawatt hour. And if I believe the National Academy of Sciences projection that will have a 1/2 times 50 or $25 impact, then I should add that to the cost of operating the gas plant. Suddenly, what was the clear economic winner, the gas plant at $13, is now the economic laggard at $38, and the nuclear plant wins. So putting a price on carbon can guide much more rational decision-making in terms of what choices we make and their effect on the planet. So I would argue that while solar energy is a wonderful thing and something we should be investing in, I would suggest that we should do it only in the right places and make better use of our environmental dollars. We recently granted the opportunity to invest a little bit over $300 million per year in energy efficiency. We estimate that after investing $1 billion in energy efficiency, we will save customers energy, $2.5 billion on their energy bills, but that's the gross number. If you look into the cost of the investments and our return expectations over time, the net savings to customers for those investments will be $1 billion. At the same time, we expect those actions to result in the elimination of 8 million tons of carbon. That amounts to a cost of carbon removal of negative $125 per ton.